Good morning to all students belonging to class first year RS Inter College Kanpur. As you know, I have taught you the poetry India My Native Land composed by Henry L. Diroggio. I have also got the explanation of this poetry written yesterday. I hope that you would have written it already and you should prepare it. Now you have to write down central idea of the poem. In central idea of the poem you have to tell what is the poet desiring, what is the poet wish, what is the topic, and about what thing the poet has introduced and what message he wants to give to the readers, to the students, and what is his last desire which he wants to be fulfilled. So in this poetry to India My Native Land composed by Henry L. Diroggio, I want to tell you that the poet was great patriot. He loved his country very much and wanted that all the citizens of the country may be happy, prosperous and rich, and the country may be strong. But at that time when the poetry was written, it was slavery period. Means the foreigners, the Britishers were ruling over India. India was slave at that time. The ancient dignity of India, the ancient grace of India had gone away. She was exploited by the foreigners. The foreigners earned the advantage, profit in great quantity and sent that profit to their country. And India was going from bad to worse. And it became poorer and weaker. Otherwise, in ancient time, India was respected. India was worshipped like the god and goddesses. But in the slavery period, her condition was very pathetic. It was not progressing. The Indian people work hard, but they were not paid their wages. And that's why the Indian citizens were also going from bad to worse condition at that time. India in ancient time was called the golden bird and the world teacher. The poet desires that grace may also be gained by India. He requests God, he worships God and wants to say that India may be again the same prosperous India, the same strong India and the same leading India. So he wants to such kind of country to be changed where labor should be paid, the labor should be rewarded, and all citizens of the country may prosper, may develop their personalities, may develop their family members, may develop their society, state, country and the world. So in this way, the poet wants that India and Indians may be happy again and their labor may be rewarded, they may be given proper attention for their development, and every citizen, all the people, whether high or low, may be treated equally. Thank you very much. And you have to write down the central idea of the poem. I am sending you through WhatsApp. Thank you very much.